What's new in Android 13 Beta 2? Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you what is new in Android 13 Beta 2. Now first of all we will go into developer options, and herein you are going to notice that a few new options have been added. The first one is to allow a mock modem, which allows this device to run a mock modem service for instrumentation testing. Do not enable this during normal usage of the device. Then if we scroll down some more, you will notice that you do have some Bluetooth options which have been added, and this here is the disable Bluetooth LE audio hardware offload. Now this toggle is enabled by default and it is also grayed out. Then the other thing you will notice over here is that an option has been removed. And that option is the toggle to enable your Gable Dorsch mode for Bluetooth devices. Then if we scroll up a little, you will also notice you have another option for network download rate limit. So configure the network bandwidth ingress rate limit, which is applied to all networks that provide internet connectivity, and you have options like no limit, 128 kbps, 256 kbps, 1 mbps, 5 mbps, and 15 mbps. So I think this is good for those who want to test a specific network speed and how their app performs at that specific speed. Next up, if we go into settings, then go into sound and vibration, scroll down, you have a toggle to always show icon when in vibrate mode. And what are we talking about here? Have a look at the status bar beside the battery percentage and the Wi-Fi icon. Let us change our phone into vibrate mode, and bam, there it is. You can see that we now have the icon in the status bar, and if I disable that toggle, the icon appears and disappears based on whatever option I choose in the toggle. Then if we go into settings, and then you can go into the display option here and go into dark theme and select schedule. You will notice that you now have the option to enable your dark theme at your bedtime. Now next change you will notice is going into settings, and then we can go into battery. Herein for starters you will notice that it tells you when the battery saver will turn on the main page, and then if you go into battery saver, set a schedule, the default percentage should now be 5. In my case it is 10 because I updated via the OTA. If you have a fresh install of Android 13 Beta 2, the default battery percentage when it kicks in now is 5, and of course you can change it based on your slider over here as well. And this is something interesting. As soon as okay, so battery saver is kicking in because I'm using the slider to change it to above what my battery percentage is right now. Next up, the toggle to remove permissions if an app is not used for some time has also been renamed, and they have also added an explanation for that. So if you go into settings, apps, go and choose any app, scroll down, here it is. Previously this toggle was remove permissions and free up space. Now it has been renamed to pause app activity if unused, and they also tell you what they are going to do. So they're going to remove the permissions, delete temporary files, and stop notifications. Then the per app language control is back, so you can go into settings, then you'll go into system, languages, and input. Here it is, per app language control. You can now choose a specific language on a per app basis. This was removed in beta 1, but now the option has been added back. Another change you will notice is the animation when you go into settings, and then if you go into the sub menu. So if I go into notifications, you will notice that the animation here is sliding in. Previously it would just pop up in your face, now the animation slides in. Then if you press and hold on the empty space, go into widgets. The pixel widget has been moved from system services to a new section called battery, and here it is. This is the pixel battery widget, which you can of course add to your device. Now multiple devices will show up as a different row, but as soon as you disconnect your device, it will tell you the name of the device and the battery percentage. And last but not the least, the media player in your quick settings panel has also gotten some changes. So let us go into play this song, and over here you will notice that previously in beta 2 the progress bar was occupying all of the bottom row and these play pause buttons were on the top. That has changed a little, so now the progress bar is over here with the awesome cool looking waves, and you also have your pause and play option. Another change you might notice is if you press and hold on this media player, it is going to open another page, and the settings icon has now moved to the top right. Previously you had hide, cancel and settings. Now you have the settings icon on the top right of this specific option. And there it is, peeps. That is what was new in Android 13 Beta 2, and that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.